morning to all. So it's almost 2:35 a.m. now, and as you can see, I am on my bed. I have wake up. It's night for everybody, but मेरी दिन की शुरुआत हो चुकी है. So आप हो रहे लगभग 3 AM और मुंह धोने के बाद थोड़ा सा योगा करने के बाद आई एम बैक टू माई टेबल और अभी मैं स्टडी करूँगा फॉर माई ऑप्शनल पेपर 1. सो फ्रॉम 3 AM टिल 5 AM मैं स्टडी करूँगा और नेक्स्ट उसके बाद आई विल सी व्हाट आई विल डू नेक्स्ट. So it's almost 5:15 AM now, and after taking a short break of 10 minutes, I'm back to my study table, and now I'll continue again with that book. So it's almost 7:30 AM now, and I have read few more pages from that book, NK West, and now I'll take a short break of 15 to 20 minutes, and around 8 AM I will be back to my table, and then I'll continue again. So it's almost 9 AM now, and I read few pages and wrote some important points in my diary from the book Introduction to Sociocultural Anthropology by NK Ved sir. And now it's time that I should have my food. So now I'm going to cook food, and then after eating my food, I am planning to wash my clothes because it is dirty, and after that around 10 or 11 I will be back to my study table again. तो अब हो रहे लगभग 9:30 AM और मैं खाना बनाने वाला था कि करंट जो है हम लोग का यहाँ पर डिब्रूगढ़ में 5 बजे गया है 5 AM को. अभी 9 AM हो चुका है. करंट का कोई आता पता नहीं है. मुझे कपड़ा भी धोना था, अभी उसके लिए वो भी पेंडिंग में. अभी खाना नहीं खाया. अभी देखते थोड़ा देर और 10 तक रुकते. अगर नहीं आता है तो कुछ खा के आना पड़ेगा, फास्ट फूड या कुछ भी. उसके बाद कपड़ा भी धोना है. बस आ जाए करंट. So it's almost 11:30 now, and we have our food, and now what I'm going to do is now I'll bath, and then around 12 PM I'll be back to my table and I will continue. I have to do practical for my graduation, so I'll do that after that. So it's almost 1 PM now. Now I'll do practical as I have said earlier, my graduation practical. So from 1 till 5 PM or 6 PM I'll do the practicals. If I can complete it will be good, and let's see. So as you can see, this is the practical copy, and now I'll start. You can see. So it's almost 5 PM now, and after doing practical for few hours, as you can see, I have come for a walk, jogging you can say. So I'm going through the bank of Brahmaputra. I'll show you there. So as you can see, it's 5:30 PM now, and 2 people in boat. I think they are moving to their residence. So it's almost 7 PM now, and after doing little practical, now we are going to cook food, and around 8 PM we will have our dinner, and then we will go to bed. So it's almost 8:45 PM now, and now we will have our food. I am very happy today because I have enrolled for Unacademy Plus subscription. That is, they gave me, and from tomorrow onwards I am going to do classes on Unacademy platform and will understand the optional subject nicely, properly. So it's almost 9:30 PM now, and I had had my dinner. I am late today little because खाना बनाने में थोड़ा लेट हो गया, तो अब मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. गुड नाइट टू ऑल. पर इससे पहले एक छोटा सा मोटिवेशनल लाइन आप सबको कहना चाहूँगा. सपने उन्हीं के सच होते हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. गुड नाइट.